Hi everyone, let's unbox this mini dash cam. This is the A119 Mini 2 version and I'm absolutely amazed by its features. So first of all, it is super small and compact, so it's never going to obstruct your view, which is so crucial when you're driving. Check this out, this is it. Look how small this is, not bigger than a car key to be honest, and it comes with everything you need to install it. But my favorite part is that you can give it simple commands to control it, which is honestly a big pro for me. It can also notify you of setting changes or memory card errors as well, and it keeps you focused on the road instead of what's happening with it. So check it out. It comes with all the cables, all the connectors, everything you possibly need. I definitely recommend you go check it out. It is an incredible device. I'm very happy I got it, and it's going to make me drive safer as well and record everything that's happening on the road if I ever need that for evidence, or if I get into an accident as well. That is very crucial. Go check it out on Amazon.